So right now the economy is not doing so well. So does it make financial sense to reduce your auto policy coverage in order to save some money? The short answer is no. And here's the reason why. Have you ever heard the term penny wise and pound foolish? Is what is going to happen if you start reducing your auto policy in order to save some money. Here's the reason why. You're not the only one who may be suffering as far as your finances go. There are many other people out there who are also struggling, and many of them are going to drop their auto insurance policy in order to save money. So, what happens if you get into an accident with one of those people who do not have insurance? Well, if you don't have closure coverage on your policy because you chose to delete it to save money, who's going to pay for repairing your car or replacing your car if it's totaled? No one. It's going to be you out of your own pocket. That does not make financial sense. But if you're injured in an accident and it's not your fault, again, if the other side does not have insurance, how are you going to get treatment? How are you going to get your lost wages compensated? How are you going to get paid for pain and suffering unless you have uninsured motorists? So again, you may be thinking, well, if I drop my uninsured motorist coverage, I can save some money. But if you get into an accident and the other side doesn't have insurance, you're the one who's going to be stuck with medical bills, lost income, and definitely not get paid for your pain and suffering. So don't be penny wise and pound foolish. Make sure you have the proper coverage. That would include not just the liability, but collision coverage. It also includes uninsured motorists. And also look into MedPay because that's very cheap to have, and that's going to help you pay for your medical bills and out of pocket expenses, such as copays, if you're in an accident, and it's regardless of whose fault it is, and it does not increase your rates if you use it. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for further future videos on legal tips. My name is Mason Rashtian. We meet our clients by accident.